What's going on, folks? It's your man, Jay Will. So it's time to take a look at night sight. Night sight is a setting in the Google Pixel camera app. So a lot of people was wondering, why isn't my phone up to date? This isn't a software update. It's actually a camera app update. And basically what night sight does is it takes advantage of HDR+. It's a modified version of an HDR+ photo. And that's pretty much all it is. So in this video, I'm going to show you some samples taken by the rear camera in night sight mode. And I just want you to kind of look at these different samples and photos and looking at how well it enhances the photo. It's basically no flash on in these photos. And you're looking at first taken without night sight and then with night sight. And believe me when I tell you, it's night and day. And literally, no pun intended, but you would think that I turned on the flash to take these photos. These photos are taken in this darkness. And they come out fantastic, man. I don't know how Google did it. I'm not going to try to figure out, you know, installing APKs on other phones. I feel like a lot of people are putting Gcam or something like that on their OnePlus 6 devices to mimic it, but it's definitely best on the Google devices. This phone right here, the photos that's being produced are ridiculous. I mean, hands down, some of the best photos I've seen in darkness. You just got to turn it on when you want to take a shot. Now, the downside to using night sight is that when you're taking a shot and it's really dark, it says hold still, and you have to hold still for some time. It's like a couple of seconds. I know it's not dark in the office, but you know, you have to hold still. You see, it went fast that time because we're not in a dark setting. But you know, nonetheless, the photos come out ridiculously good. And so I wanted to show you firsthand how the night sight photos look. What do you guys think about it? Do you think night sight is a step in the right direction? You know, are you going to use it? Is it going to help you in those situations? I'm pretty sure it will help you, especially for people who go out and party and stuff like that. Or you're just in a situation where it's really low light. Turning on night sight is a win-win. That just takes these cameras in a whole nother direction. And you know, it just makes it all that more better than nearly every phone I have doesn't take photos like this. Even without night shot, just regular still shots, this camera wins. It's beating them all out right now. So it's your man, Jay Will. What do you think about night sight? I think it's actually really awesome. And you tell me what you think. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.